The magician. Oh, knocks him over. 5 wickets all for Rashid Khan. He takes wickets everywhere. In Sharjah, at Dehradun.
And having gone over the offside, he's well and truly gone over the onside now. That's really good cricket because he's giving Camphor nowhere to go here. Heaved out towards deep mid-wicket, and it's gone for 6. Wind assisted. Oh, he's caught that one beautifully. That has gone a long, long way. It's hit the roller.
Yeah, I remember I took his name. Oh! A good cricketer. Oh. Beautiful googly. Big appeal. Given him! He's given him! Rashid Khan's got it! Absolutely incredible scenes here in Dehradun.
Every green. Back-to-back 6s, and that's 50 for Rashid Khan off just 27 deliveries. What an innings.
But Bangladesh have got themselves into a good momentum. Don't forget that.
Down the wicket in the air. Gone! He's gone! He's gone for one of his favorite shots. The slog sweep over mid-wicket. He's distraught. The two batsmen cross.
Go with it.
So they've gone up again. It was the third time lucky.
Stealing my move.
It is for Brendan McCullum.